anticlimactic, thank you. No, I'm not pooping. Okay. Oh, come on. So I have this theory on escape, right? It's a metaphor. In every challenge, somewhere there's a gap. Somewhere there's a space to make a move. You just have to find it and work with it. Shane did tie it very good. Who said that? Yeah, you know what? I'm one of the few female escape artists in the world. Shane, nice work. Way to not be sexist. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. Oh, wow. Really great work, Shane. Top-notch stuff. Oh, jeez. Please. Okay, that's one. Oh, yes. Nope, that moved literally nothing else. Let's try the chains. Here we go. Okay, foot through the chain. Here we go. Start taking the photo right now? Come get a postcard. I want that image. No. Ta-da! Okay, here we go. Oh. Yeah, ha. Yeah. Oh. Okay. We'll go this leg. Wow, Shane, you're really a leg man. Straps. Here we go. Yes. All right. Ratchet strap time. Here we go. Watch the straps. Watch the straps. All right. Now I've got to get my face through here without chipping my tooth on the chain. Again. Here we go. Oh, nice. Edmondson, I've showed you whips. I've showed you chains. I've showed you the world's only ratchet strap escape. And now I'm really out of breath. Here's the final piece, the cable tie. You guys have been a beautiful audience. Thank you so much. We'll see you all right here at the end of the show. Let's do this. Everyone count me down from 10. Everyone give me 10. Ready, and...